Welcome to our channel, where we keep exploring nature's wonders and the most unique and interesting places to see. Today, we're taking you on a journey to Cappadocia, one of the most stunning places on Earth and a true testament to nature's wonders. Located in central Turkey, Cappadocia is a region of extraordinary geological formations, rich history, and vibrant cultural heritage. In today's video, we will delve deep into the key attractions and experiences that make Cappadocia a must-visit destination. So, let's deep dive into each of the fascinating things to see in Cappadocia and discover why this region is one of the most unique and captivating places on Earth. 1. Unique rock formations. Cappadocia is renowned for its unique rock formations, known as fairy chimneys. These cone-shaped structures were formed through the erosion of volcanic ash over millions of years. The formation process of these structures is quite fascinating. Millions of years ago, volcanic eruptions covered the region with thick layers of ash, which solidified into a soft, porous rock called tuff. Over time, natural elements like wind, rain, and temperature fluctuations eroded the tuff. Harder rock caps on top of some tough columns resisted erosion, protecting the softer rock beneath them and forming the characteristic chimney shapes. The fairy chimneys often have distinct layers of varying colors and textures, reflecting different volcanic deposits and sedimentation processes over time. There are three main types of fairy chimneys in Cappadocia. Conical chimneys. These are the classic, pointed structures often seen in postcards of Cappadocia. Mushroom-shaped chimneys. These feature a wider cap rock, giving them a mushroom-like appearance. Pinnacles and towers. Some chimneys are slender and tower-like, reaching impressive heights. The soft, tough rock is easy to carve, and ancient inhabitants of Cappadocia took advantage of this by hollowing out the chimneys to create homes, churches, and storage spaces. Many of these rock-cut structures are still visible today. During the early Christian period, monks and hermits found refuge in these natural formations, carving out monastic cells and chapels. Some fairy chimneys have even been converted into modern dwellings and boutique hotels, offering a unique accommodation experience for tourists. Fairy chimneys are not just geological wonders, they are a testament to the region's rich history and the ingenuity of its past inhabitants, making them a must-see attraction in Cappadocia. 2. Underground cities. Cappadocia is also famous for its extensive network of underground cities, such as Derinkuyu and Çamaklı. These subterranean complexes date back to ancient times and were used by early Christians as refuges from invading forces. Derinkuyu Underground City is the largest and deepest of Cappadocia's subterranean cities, extending approximately 200 feet, 60 meters, below ground. This multi-level marvel could accommodate up to 20,000 people along with their livestock and supplies. This city, first excavated around the 8th century BC, was primarily used as a refuge during times of invasion and conflict. It includes an array of tunnels and chambers, including living quarters, kitchens, stables, churches, and even a wine cellar. The city's sophisticated ventilation system ensured a supply of fresh air, while a complex network of passages and hidden traps provided security against invaders. Çamaklı Underground City is located about 20 kilometers from Derinkuyu and is another extensive underground city, believed to have been built around the same time. Though not as deep as Derinkuyu, Çamaklı spreads over a broader area and is also multi-leveled, with 8 levels of tunnels and rooms, 4 of which are open to visitors. This city features many similar amenities, such as communal living spaces, storage rooms, and places of worship. One of Çamaklı's unique aspects is its layout, which includes more open areas and wider tunnels, suggesting it may have been used not only for protection but also for daily living during more peaceful times. Both Derinkuyu and Çamaklı were primarily inhabited during the Byzantine era when the threat of Arab invasions necessitated secure hiding places. These underground cities served as sanctuaries where Christian communities could practice their faith in secrecy and safety. The sophisticated construction techniques and the ability to sustain large populations highlight the advanced engineering skills of the time. Today, Derinkuyu and Çamaklı are popular tourist attractions, offering a unique journey into the past. Visitors can explore the maze of tunnels and rooms, gaining insight into the lives of those who once sought refuge within these underground havens. 3. Monastic retreats. Cappadocia's rock-carved monasteries and chapels are a remarkable testament to the region's rich spiritual heritage and architectural ingenuity. These ancient structures, hewn directly from the soft volcanic tuff, provided sanctuary for early Christian communities fleeing persecution. The Gorim Open Air Museum, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, showcases some of the most impressive examples, with intricately decorated interiors adorned with Byzantine frescoes that vividly depict biblical scenes. These hidden sanctuaries, nestled amidst the fairy chimneys and rugged terrain, offer a glimpse into the monastic life of the past, where monks lived, prayed, and worshipped in these secluded retreats. The artistic and historical significance of these rock-cut churches continues to draw visitors, scholars, and spiritual seekers from around the world, making them a cornerstone of Cappadocia's cultural and religious legacy. 4. Hot air ballooning. Hot air ballooning is one of the most popular activities in Cappadocia, providing breathtaking aerial views of its surreal landscapes at sunrise. Hot air ballooning in Cappadocia offers an unforgettable experience, soaring over one of the world's most unique and mesmerizing landscapes. As the sun rises, hundreds of colorful balloons lift off, floating above the region's iconic fairy chimneys, ancient rock-cut churches, and stunning valleys. The aerial view provides a breathtaking perspective of Cappadocia's surreal topography, with its undulating rock formations and patchwork of vineyards and orchards. The gentle drift of the balloon allows passengers to take in the serene beauty and rich history of this UNESCO World Heritage Site from a bird's-eye view. The experience is both tranquil and exhilarating, making hot air ballooning a must-do adventure for visitors to Cappadocia. 5. Pasabag. Pasabag, also known as the Valley of the Monks, is known for its densely packed fairy chimneys, some with multiple rock caps. These unique rock formations, with their striking mushroom-shaped caps, create a surreal and enchanting landscape. Historically, the valley served as a secluded retreat for hermit monks, who carved small dwellings and chapels into the soft volcanic rock. Among these, the hermitage dedicated to Saint Simeon stands out, reflecting the monk's ascetic lifestyle. Today, Pasabag is a popular tourist destination, offering visitors a chance to wander through its picturesque scenery, explore the ancient cave dwellings, and experience the serene beauty that has drawn spiritual seekers for centuries. The combination of natural wonder and historical significance makes Pasabag a must-visit location in Cappadocia. 6. Uchisar. Uchisar is a charming village in Cappadocia, Turkey, dominated by a towering rock formation known as Uchisar Castle. This natural fortress, carved into the highest point in the region, offers panoramic views of the surrounding valleys and fairy chimneys, making it a prime spot for breathtaking sunsets. The castle's interior is a labyrinth of tunnels, chambers, and passageways, historically used for defense and as a refuge during times of invasion. Uchisar is also famous for its quaint streets, traditional stone houses, and vibrant local markets, where visitors can experience authentic Turkish culture. The village's blend of natural beauty, historical intrigue, and local charm make Uchisar an essential stop for anyone exploring the magical landscape of Cappadocia. 7. The historical Tapestry of Cappadocia and cultural heritage. Cappadocia's history stretches back to the Hittites, who settled here around 1800 BCE. Over the centuries, the region was inhabited by various civilizations, including Persians, Greeks, Romans, and Byzantines, each leaving their mark. The unique geography of Cappadocia made it a crossroads of cultures, which is reflected in its diverse archaeological and architectural heritage. The region was an important center for early Christianity, and its rock-cut churches and monasteries played a significant role in the spread of the faith. Cappadocia's unique geography not only shaped its natural wonders, but also influenced its cultural development. The region's rich cultural tapestry is evident in its traditional crafts, music, dance, and cuisine. Cappadocia is renowned for its pottery, particularly from the town of Avanos, where artisans have been crafting ceramics for generations. Visitors can watch potters at work and even try their hand at making their own pottery. 8. Modern-day Cappadocia. Today, Cappadocia is a vibrant and thriving tourist destination, attracting visitors from all over the world. The region offers a wide range of activities and experiences, from exploring ancient ruins and underground cities to hiking through stunning valleys and enjoying hot air balloon rides. The local cuisine is another highlight, with dishes like testi kebab, a savory meat stew cooked in a clay pot, and mant, Turkish dumplings, offering a taste of the region's culinary traditions. The local hospitality is warm and welcoming, with many family-run guest houses and boutique hotels offering unique and comfortable accommodations. In conclusion, Cappadocia's blend of natural beauty, historical depth, and cultural richness makes it a truly magical destination. Whether you're an adventurer seeking the thrill of hot air ballooning, a history buff eager to explore ancient underground cities, or a spiritual seeker drawn to the region's monastic heritage, Cappadocia offers an unforgettable experience that feels like stepping into another world. And for now, we end our exploration of Cappadocia. Hope you liked our video and it made you want to visit it yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing travel content from our channel. Keep exploring, and see you in the next video.